Simula nung nagka-pandemic, I took staying inside very seriously. And I make sure to never go out unless absolutely necessary. Necessary yung magsha-shopping. So when I do, I always bring my favorite tote bag from Made by the MOCHI. It's created out of canvas cloth, hand-woven by the farmers from Isabela province, and sublimated with a design so original and so adorable, just like mine, which is inspired by the revolutionary female artist Frida Kahlo. Now let's take a peek inside and see what kind of items I bring along. Obviously, I always have my face mask, eyeglasses, phone, and charger at all times. I always bring along my BDJ planner where I list things I have to accomplish and even keep track of my expenses. And wait for it, my menstrual cycle as well. The journal has these pockets where I place my 1x1 and 2x2 pictures, vaccine card, and ICV, passport, and my passbook. And speaking of lists, here's another MOCHI product I adore, which are these original notepads. The first of the stationery lineup that the shop is planning to expand. I use these square notes to write down reminders, tasks, and sometimes messages for other people. Next is this light blue MK wallet wherein I organize all my cards by necessity. And some of you may be surprised, but I carry this tape measure with me at all times because I might eventually run into an item that I'd want to buy and bring home, like a frame or a neon sign. So this tape measure comes in handy for me in knowing how much space it'll take up. Not gonna lie, since I pack a lot of things, the bag gets so heavy, but I don't worry about that because the tote itself is sturdy and spacious. And once everything is complete, I can't forget to use my 1-me bucket hat, which is a surprise from the MOCHI. It's comfortable to wear and fully protects my head from any type of weather. It's made out of Pro-Tech fabric and comes in both women's and men's sizes. Not to mention, you look fabulous wearing it. And with that, I'm all set to go. And oh, check out this cute pin I added to the bag. Yes, that's right. It was made by the MOCHI too. A little reminder to everyone to always stay safe when you're outside so you don't have to bring any troubles inside. This has been Karina Tells You. Thanks so much for watching.